In this video, let us see how to track driving relationships in Primavera P6. Sometimes as part of project schedule maintenance, we need to track some specific activities and their predecessor activities which could drive these successor activities. Let us consider this sample schedule. Let me go to this activity which is 33 kV cable circuits. If I want to track this and understand the driving predecessor, I need to go to the activity details section and go to relationships tab or predecessor tab and then customize columns to add the column called driving. Now you can clearly see that the second predecessor is the driving one as the check mark is on. Select this hot commissioning activity which is determining the successor start date and click on go to further identify the driving predecessor for this particular activity. So in this way, you can analyze any particular activity's dependency on the driving predecessors. Similarly, you can use the free float field as well for analysis, which could give you heads up on the next focus area to be alert on the successor's delay. Free float lets you know how many days that you can delay an activity before it delays the successor activity. Total float will be 0 anyhow for critical activities and free float will be 0 for driving activities. For example, this activity has got 3 predecessors, out of which one is driving, which has free float as 0, and other which is having 4 days of free float can become a driving if it gets delayed by 4 days, and similarly this one by 8 days. So you can track these activities as well if you want the successor activity to be not delayed by any means. So I recommend you to display both driving and free float fields in the predecessor's bottom details tab in Primavera P6 Professional so that you can track and analyze the activities more clearly. Got it, friends? So in this way you can track driving relationships in Primavera P6. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.